Altcoins went nuclear over the weekend with over $2 billion in liquidations. But what if I told you this is the biggest buying opportunity of this year? The next 50x trade is happening right now, so remember to stay till the end for your free trade alert. Hey, I'm Scott, founder of Trade Alert HQ and professor at the Financial Freedom Academy. My goal is simple. On this channel, I work for you to take your trading and investing game to the next level. I'll give you real-time strategies and trade alerts to help you on your road to financial freedom. After leaving my corporate job in 2016, I've been trading stocks and crypto full-time while traveling all over the world. I'm here to pass along everything I've learned so you can skip the guesswork and start making winning moves right now. Every week, I'll bring you in-depth stock and crypto analysis, real-time buy and sell alerts, and answer any questions you have so you feel confident in every decision you make. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join the Trade Alert HQ family. Your journey to the next level of financial freedom starts here. Again, welcome back. Let's dive right in. Let's look at coinmarketcap.com. Now, what we notice here, this is over the last 24 hours. We got a lot of bounces after that nuclear meltdown that we had over the weekend, okay? So we're looking at these coins here and what's moving. What we're gonna do is dive in to keep an eye on this one, AERO drone number 98 by CoinMarketCap, okay? What we're gonna do is we're gonna go right into the charts. Now, I have to talk about traditional markets, and here's why. We do have potential recession on the table, but I think we have about 6 months before we have to really worry about that, all right? What I mean by that is, if you see futures, this is the S&P 500 E-mini futures representation of the US stock market. If you see this break down below this support level that I have in orange here at 58.50, we're going to get a move down here to, at the very least, about 5,500, okay? That could be bad for our crypto. Let's hope this thing holds up a little longer, all right? Now, also, let's dive into the king, which is Bitcoin. Looking at Bitcoin on the weekly chart, all right? We got that move from about 106 all the way down to support one on the weekly at 91.5 over the weekend. That, in effect, melted down the altcoins in a bad way. However, they came to support levels on the high time frame. I'll explain. So with Bitcoin, this yellow line is the point of control, right around 98.1. I'm going to move that off the chart for now. We want to see Bitcoin hold this 9 EMA pink, and we definitely want to see it hold the 20 and 21 moving averages that are curling up under price. I'd like to see Bitcoin break out of this pennant and make a move up to about 114K. If we don't, we're going to test these lower levels around 87 and potentially lower. So let's look for that move up. Now, on the daily, this makes a lot more sense. Bitcoin is in this daily channel where it's just going to the bottom, to the top, to the bottom, to the top, to the bottom, midway, bottom, top, bottom. We're looking for the top move again right here around 114.5. That said, that might be a good place to do a hedge short position if we get there. But being long from this zone makes sense at this point in time. All right, we came down to the weekly support around 91.5, bounced in a big way, and we're back testing this point of control right here around 98,000. Bitcoin, by the way, has to hold up if the altcoins are going to make this massive rally. We don't want to see Bitcoin nuke. If it does, it's going to take everything down with it, and we saw a classic case of that last weekend. Stay ahead of the game with real-time trade alerts. Hit subscribe and turn the notifications on so you're always the first to know about the latest stock and crypto moves. Your financial freedom is just one click away. Let's crush those gains together. Moving along, let's take a look at Total 3. Now this chart clarifies a lot of things. This is the total market cap in cryptocurrency, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, all right? Why? This is all of our altcoins, all right? Now, what happened was we broke out of this pennant and we made a move up to a double top, right here around 1.12 trillion, which was the 2021 top. Imagine, we're back at the 2021 top and we had a huge dip, a rally, and then a deeper dip. It makes complete sense when you look at it this way, and here's why. We double topped, dropped way down here to support level 2 around 785 billion over the weekend, and then we had a big rally and we're holding above the bull market support band you see here in yellow and green. That's a good thing. We want to stay above here. All right, we need SRSI to cross up and we need RSI to hold up. If that happens and we make this move back up here, we must break this 1.13 trillion. When we do, okay, that's when altcoins are going to go absolutely bananas. So I'll get into that. Now let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum, you see this dotted line? This is called an inverse head and shoulders pattern. It's bullish, but it's a very nasty pattern because it comes down and makes this lower right side, and essentially it dipped all the way down to S2 around 2200 and formed a triple bottom. This is a perfect long off 22, about 2244, okay? And you want to see price, you see how it wicked up? That's buying pressure. You want to see it hold this trend line. This trend line's right around 2,550 per Ethereum. I'd like to see that hold and make a move higher, ultimately breaking these resistance levels around 4,040 and 4,800. If you see Ethereum break up and out of here, we are going to go to 8,000 per Ethereum. When that happens, okay, we need that to happen. All of the altcoins will be making that move that I just discussed on the total 3, and that's when the smaller altcoins can make 50x moves. Ethereum from 2,000 to 8,000, that's a beautiful move, but it's not a 50x, okay, because the market cap's large. Now, we need SRSI to cross up, and we need RSI to hold 50. This could take a while, so you still have some time to get into some positions, but remember, you always have to use risk management. Nothing's certain in the markets. But without risk, there's no reward, okay? So let's look at Solana. Now Solana actually double topped, okay? Back here at this 2021 top, temporary double top, pullback, and again, all-time high fake out. Now, a lot of traders went long Solana up here at 265, and they absolutely got a pie in the face because it basically rejected and came all the way back down here to S1 at 173. We put out a buy alert here at 112 and a buy alert here at 172. Both of those alerts made substantial gains. Now we need SRSI to cross back up and RSI to hold 50 and break this white downtrend. If that happens, Solana's going to make a run higher, okay? This is another one that can make a huge move, basically from 174, breaking this previous double top. We want to see Solana up here into these extension zones. And you know what? Let's look at a quick extension on what we could expect. So if you go from the previous 2021 top all the way to the low, okay, of the cycle, your first target is around 328 for Solana on a breakout. The next target's around 364, and the next target's around 400. Let's take that level to level and use risk management. Let's move on to Doge. Everybody loves Doge. Department of Government Efficiency. Elon Musk has been pumping this a lot. Now here's the thing. This was the 2021 top back here around 73 cents. We have to be aware of that level. The trade alert was down here in October. We said buy here at 10 cents. It went up almost 400%. Great move, right? But now it kicked back below this SR flip level around 30 cents and dipped all the way down here to S2, support 2, around 22 cents. That said, owning Doge around 22 cents here on a new setup makes sense. Basically, we need this to get back above the 2021 moving average and the 9 EMA. So we might see some consolidation here. Start to pay attention on some of these pullbacks. Okay, you don't want to chase these pumps, and this is a classic example. If you bought Doge up here when everyone's excited around 44 cents, it dropped 50% to 22 cents. You want to buy the dips, not the pumps, okay? Now, if it holds this level, I like it. Bear in mind, if Doge makes a move up, the ultimate target here is going to be 74 cents. But if we get above 74 cents, we're going to go to $1.47 per Doge, all right? It's at that level that you might want to take some off the table. We need this SRSI to cross back up and RSI to hold 50 before this move happens. So you have time to get in a position if you're not already in on Doge, Ripple. A lot of people love XRP. XRP, let me just say, has been very challenging, okay? This is the high time frame. Now, back in 2018, it put a top in here, around $3.26, okay? Around 2021, it put a top in here, around $1.91. And then finally, we get a pump again, 3 pumps. And it pumps right here to this 2017 all-time high around 321. Now, I did a video and I said, look, if we don't break above this 331, we're gonna dip down below because that's a double top, okay? And we did. So we came back down here to this SR flip level. The SR flip level is at the 2021 MA, holding strong right here around $1.89. So if this level holds, I like Ripple for a move higher. Now remember, our original buy alert put out was right here at 41 cents, okay, on XRP. That's one heck of a move. So remember to pay yourself and use risk management. Also, follow the channel. If you like what you're seeing, please share the channel. That would help out a lot. Just share it with one person. And remember to click the link in the description. That's the Financial Freedom Academy. We give you updates like this trade alert right here, Ripple at 41. You can get on the email list for free and understand when to get into these plays, okay? It's critical. So share the channel and get on the free email list. Why not? It doesn't cost anything. Now, stay ahead of the game with real-time trade alerts. Hit subscribe and turn the notifications on so you're always the first to know about the latest stock and crypto moves. Your financial freedom is just one click away. Let's crush those gains together. Moving on, let's take a look at Tesla. Let's go traditional stocks. Quickly diving into Tesla and traditional markets, we put out a long alert down here around 150 back in April, okay? Now, if you follow my YouTube or if you're on the free email list, you would know to be in down here. Now, Tesla made this move. I did sell Tesla, okay? Because basically we're at a double top right here around 415. Now, breaking back below this level is a double top short, and we basically broke back down and we're under the 9 EMA pink right now. You see this? That's not good. I think Tesla could make a move down here to like 350, and ultimately the best buy would be down here around like say 305 on an SR flip, around 305. If you purchase there, you've got a chance of making a bounce, if not a new high. Now, if we break over 414, Tesla's gonna rip, okay? I'll keep you posted, but we're not there, okay? Basically, we need SRSI to cross back up, and we need RSI to hold 50. This looks weak. We've got RSI making a lower high, while price made a higher high and a double top short setup, okay? That said, Tesla can go higher. It just needs to consolidate a little bit, all right? Now, this takes us to something very important, which is your free trade alert. Now, I've given you a lot of trade alerts, a lot of ideas already in this video, but let's take a look at something, AERO, okay? AERO was a trade alert back here in the Financial Freedom Academy in one of our live sessions. We do live trading where we teach you how to trade, how to day trade, how to scalp, how to go long, how to go short. Now, this trade alert went up 262%. and put in a classic double top, rejection at previous all-time high. It dipped all the way back down here to the SR flip around 84 cents. That said, owning AERO, that's Aerodrome Finance on Coinbase, down here around 80 cents makes sense. If we got another dip, I mean, it could retest like 62, but we need SRSI to cross up and RSI to get over 50. If you get in before SRSI crosses up and before RSI bounces, you risk a little bit of a downside move. However, if you wait to get confirmation, this thing could already be back above $1.23. So use risk management and decide which strategy is best for you. Do you want to be in before it pumps, or be in and you might get a little further dip? Just be aware of that. Now, I anticipate this is going to make a move from down here in the low side of the channel back to the top of the channel sometime by the end of probably in 6 months. So we're talking 235%. Now, that said, it can go a lot higher than that. So remember to pay yourself and hold some of that position in case we break out much higher, because if total 3, if you see this chart and total 3 gets above this 1.13 trillion, those are cryptos like Aerodrome, SPX 6900, a lot of these smaller plays we've been talking about, those are going to absolutely go bananas. All right, so it takes some patience, and remember to use risk management. Let me know in the comments section what you want to see next. I'd like to chart whatever you want to see, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Your support drives this community. If this video brought you value, hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, here at Trade Alert HQ, you're the first to know about real-time trade alerts. We're growing fast and you are at the heart of it. I'm here working for you, so let's keep this momentum going. Your financial freedom starts here.